Hey folks, hope you're well. Ash here from Weber Training, and in this video I'm going to answer a very frequently asked question: are defibrillators actually safe to use? So this is a genuinely common concern people have about using an AED, a defib, a defibrillator. What if I get it wrong? What if I make matters worse? And people are very put off using the defib by the way they're used on the television, which, as you know, is where most people get their information from. That and Facebook. And you all know what I'm talking about here. Somebody comes in with the defib, we rub those big old silver pads together, we shout clear, because you've got to shout clear, haven't you? Boom, we shock the patient, they jolt all over the place, the lights flick on and off, and it's fantastic television. Now, if that was true to life, I would think twice about using a defib. Let's just talk about then where some of this fear comes from. Let's be under no uncertain terms. When you apply a defibrillator to a casualty, the pads are analysing what is happening inside the body. If it determines that a shock is necessary, in 0.001% of a second, it is going to send 3,000 volts from point A to point B and back again to temporarily stop the heart to allow it to reorganise itself electronically. So it's not a heart starter, it's a heart resetter. Okay, so a lot of people are very concerned about that. What if I get it wrong? What if I shock the wrong person? You can't. It is scientifically impossible. When a defibrillator arrives, the one thing that you have to remember to do is turn it on. When you've turned it on, it will do something you'll never hear the machine do on the screen, and it will talk to you. It will give you loud, clear audio and visual prompts. You cannot shock somebody who doesn't need to be shocked because it won't let you. So when you apply the pads to a patient, it's reading. If it detects a fairly normal heart rhythm, nothing's going to happen. It won't shock them. If it detects a heart that's in a state of cardiac arrest, basically it's shaking, it's quivering, it's not doing what it should, it will give you an instruction that says press the shock button now, which you will do, and it's going to stop the heart, knock it out of that rhythm for a short amount of time, which, in conjunction with some chest compressions, is going to give the heart time to reorganise itself, and we get that reset. A genuinely impressive survival rate. Now, what you are going to notice the next time you watch certain medical shows on the telly, the patient will flatline, then some bright spark's going to come in and shock them with a defibrillator, and it magics the heart to start again. Folks, you now know that doesn't happen. A blue heart won't start. There's got to be a little bit of activity for the machine to read so it can use it to facilitate a reset. If it's gone, it's gone. Case in point, my friends, when a defibrillator arrives, turn it on, follow the instructions. You can't get it wrong because it won't let you get it wrong. It's scientifically impossible. Genuinely easy, user-friendly piece of kit. Folks, I hope you found this useful. My aim here was just to take a little bit of anxiety about use of a defibrillator. If you liked it, please let us know down below. Subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you know that we've uploaded some fresh life-saving content. I'm Ash from Weber Training. We provide quality, accredited first aid training. If you'd like any more information about anything that we offer, please do get in touch. In our next video, I'm going to be walking you through CPR and then subsequently full use of a defibrillator. My friends, stay safe, stay well, and I look forward to speaking to you again very soon.